my list of Christmas card recipients is growing exponentially down here in St. John, and now Peter Hessel is inviting me to his humble abode here. If you can believe this, the house is actually floating, and it's not because of one of those horrendous nor'easters coming up the east battling us New Englanders. This is because of his own doing. Peter, thanks for having me on your house.
Welcome aboard. Yes, nice to have you here. It's a beautiful day, and it's always like this. And I've got my all-year attire on. This is what we're at.
His Caribbean tuxedo right there.
That's exactly it.
I love it.
And always a nice cold one. Cheers, my friend.
Cheers. So you have parties on this thing. This is not just your house; it's also your business. And
yes, it is.
People can come and.
Yep, I built this about 6.5 years ago here in Coral Bay. Wherever I throw my anchor is pretty much where I spend the night. And I always have people come over and knock on the hulls and ask me if I'm open in the middle of the night, and I always say, of course I'm open.
There you go.
And then the girls can go up on top. We have a sun deck up here with a sunbed up on top, and they can get a full tan. Probably 90% of my clientele are from the East Coast.
Okay.
So they're always nice.
Tell me about the construction of this thing. You built it from the pontoons up.
I built it. All the light blue structure that you see, it's all welded aluminum.
It looks wood, like wood.
Yeah, it's too straight for wood. So I built it with the aluminum, knowing that it's not going to rot, and structurally it's really safe.
All right, here's the secret back home. We're not in St. John. We're in Lynn, Massachusetts, and these are all HD screens. These are screensavers of what it would be like to someday live in the Caribbean. Your view changes every day.
Day to day as I built it, I just came on and I just started adding things on, and then finally it turned into this, and yeah, I've been having a lot of fun with it, having a lot of great people, happy people, and it's a fun boat. I mean, yes, it's my job, but somebody's got to do it. Here, there you go. That's my business cards. Just got to make sure everybody's safe. That's my whole concern on the boat, is safe. And if anybody has too many cocktails, I always got some water wings over there that I can just blow up and put them on their arms and send them to shore.
Send them on their way.
Safely make sure they make it.
Every once in a while you're with a group and you just got to send one out.
Well, I haven't. Yeah, I had a dozen of those water wings, and now I'm just down to 2.
You'd be surprised. Sometimes just sending one away.
Well, it's just because sometimes they had a little too much, or
Interesting. And there's seemingly a design flaw in the whole house. We have a giant hole in the middle, but it's covered up by a nice glass table. What's going on there?
There's a hole because at night when I turn the lights on, we have these huge tarpon that swim around the boat.
Oh, our camera guy Wes was attacked by a school of tarpon yesterday.
Yeah, I've never heard of anybody getting attacked by a tarpon.
Well, he had an anxiety attack. So
that's the only kind of attack I could see. A heart attack.
He had a heart attack, an anxiety attack, and a bout of diarrhea.
Okay.
But the tarpon they were big. They're for someone
big.
from the Northeast, we don't know. I mean, for all we know, it's like a Jaws 1 through 7.
No.
So, if people want to reach out, maybe book a party, have some fun with you on TripAdvisor.
I'm on TripAdvisor, Angels Rest, USVI, at yahoo.com.
You're on Facebook too, right?
I'm on Facebook. So.
Well, we can give it. I'll help you. 2 thumbs up here.
Yeah,
I know you can't do that.
Yeah,
no, that's a thumb and a half.
There
2
we
thumbs
go.
up for the boat here. 2.5 thumbs we give it.